My name is Monica Ralston, and I'm an adjunct instructor at Kent State University.
I am Felicia McDonald. I'm a user experience designer for OE Connection, adjunct instructor for Kent State, the UXD Graduate School, and also instructor for the Intro to UX Design workshop. So user experience design, to me, means understanding a user's motivation and interaction throughout a product lifecycle.
User experience design is both the art and the science of how products, both physical products and digital products, are created to ensure they meet the needs of the end users.
The course is very introductory, so we start at the ground level for someone. It's specifically designed for someone who does not have a background in user experience design. What's nice about the user experience design program is the fact that so many different people come into this program with different disciplines. So it's designed for someone who doesn't have a background in it.
One of our objectives is to make this not only educational, but also fun and very hands-on. I'm a firm believer in the fact that nobody likes to sit and take notes for 2.5 days. So I feel like we've gone out of our way to create a learning environment that is interactive and dynamic and fun, with still some traditional elements.
In the workshop, we're actually going to have the students create a project. They're going to identify the project, identify the users of the project. They're going to create prototypes, test the prototypes, see how they work, to understand, does this address the user's needs? If not, go back and make changes and present the product in the end.
Everyone teaching these workshops are currently teaching at Kent State, so we're used to meeting the needs of students and very quickly assessing what the class needs and the best way to meet their needs. So we can speed things up or slow things down, spend more time or less time.
Especially for someone who's a novice, you're going to learn the basic principles of UX design. And it could also introduce you to sparking interest to pursue a career in UX design.
These workshops are also a great opportunity if you think this is a topic that you're interested in and you think this is a direction you want to take your career. These workshops are a great low commitment way to kind of dip your foot in the pool and see if this is something you'd like to do.